Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and tap Focus to access Do Not Disturb controls. Scroll to Do Not Disturb and tap to open its options. Toggle the main switch to turn on Do Not Disturb and silence calls, alerts, and notifications. To schedule silence, tap Add Schedule or Automation and set times, days, or location triggers. You can also enable Do Not Disturb instantly from Control Center using the crescent moon icon or long press focus to choose it. Tap People under Allowed Notifications to choose who can contact you while silenced. Select Allow Calls from and pick Favorites, Contacts, or a specific group to bypass silence. Enable repeated calls to allow a second call within 3 minutes to break through. Next, tap Apps to add permitted apps that can send notifications during Do Not Disturb. Review lock screen and home screen options to hide notification badges and dim the lock screen for fewer distractions. Create a custom focus to tailor Do Not Disturb for work, sleep, or driving activities. Add allowed people and apps, set a custom home screen and lock screen, and choose whether to silence notifications completely. Use Smart Activation to let iPhone change focus automatically based on location, app usage, or time of day. You can also set explicit schedules and location triggers for automation. Finally, turn on Share across devices to sync focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.